Hello friends, today let me quickly show you how we can create mystery boxes in Profit Bundles app. Mystery boxes are all rage these days. Marketing teams love them due to their inherent virality, and customers keep raving about them on social media as every order is unique. So what are mystery boxes really, and why would you create them? They are basically multi-SKU bundles with variable composition for each order, as per, of course, rules defined by you. They are useful in scenarios where customer choice of specific product doesn't matter, like toddler book mystery box, or as an alternative to sales when you need to clear your last season's stock. You can also combine them with subscription apps to create theme-based subscription boxes. With profit bundles, you can easily create mystery boxes. It only takes a couple of minutes, so let's start. Go to your Shopify admin and create your mystery box product. Add all the regular details like title, description, images, price, etc. etc. Make sure it is an active product. Once you are done, open the Profit Bundles app. Go to the Bundles tab. Here, click on Create New Bundles button. In the modal, select Create Mystery Boxes. Here, click on Select Shopify Product to select the parent Shopify products you just created. Click on Next to go to the second step of the creation process. This is where all the magic happens. In this step, you would create a pool of all the single SKU products from which app will pick products as per rules defined by you, like how many products to be picked and what will be the picking criteria. You may also add multiple variable pools of products as per your need. So here in this example, we have created a group for hoodies and one group for shorts, and we are picking one hoodie and two shorts for each group respectively. You also have an option to add products as fixed composition. That is, these will be part of each and every order. You can also set properties like price and weight of this mystery box. Finally, you can check how customers' orders would look by clicking on Simulate Order button. This will be based upon rules defined by you. Please note, this has to be done for all the variants of this mystery box. Click on Save Progress to create the mystery box. That's it for now. You're all set to offer mystery boxes to your customers. Thanks for your time and best of luck with your next campaign.